Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2013 Audi A5 convertible. Now this is the S Line model 2-litre TDI with the silky smooth automatic gearbox. Now this one we sold before, absolute gorgeous car, very well maintained and looked after. This, I'd have to say, probably one of the nicest 13 plate facelift car, by the way. So look at the front headlamps, they've got the signature LED style lamps in and it's a facelift car. Now the car's in Ibis white paintwork and sat on the 19-inch double spoke alloy wheels. Now they've been powder coated titanium grey and they suit the vehicle wonderfully well. S Line has the side skirts, it has a different front bumper. We then get the high gloss centre grille on this particular model as well. We've got headlamp wash, but a lovely car and drives exceptionally well. 2-litre TDI, as I say, fantastic on fuel. And such a nice car. Looking down the sides of the vehicle, it is free from any trolley dent whatsoever, and as I say, all the wheels are in absolutely A1 condition. Now this is going in the showroom, 2013 plate car, so just on nearly 10 years old. I cannot believe it's nearly 10 years old, this car. How good and modern does this car still look for a 10-year-old motor car? All the wheels are in fantastic order. The S Line rear bumper gets twin tailpipes and a light grey rear diffuser. You get parking sensors on the rear also. So taking a look down the passenger side and the driver's side, both mirror each other and are in A1 condition all throughout. Yes, very nice. Got a black hood, this one, power hood. Now as I approach the car, we open it up and we have got full black leather interior. Very nicely kept inside as well. Have a look at the bases and the seat bolsters, as you can see. Now we've got 65,810 miles on the clock. The S Line embossed interior is in super condition. Automatic transmission. But just look at that cabin, what a lovely cabin. Now as we see, we've got the silver aluminium detail on the door cards, electric heated door mirrors and 4 electric windows. B&O sound system on this one, so you'll like that one. Bang & Olufsen sound system, tweeter speakers, so if you are into your music, this is the car for you. Great sound system. Automatic headlamps on this, and then we've got the paddle shift with it being the automatic car. Put in the car, key in, start it up, and then we get the Audi information system there. Heated seats, yes, we've got them as well. Climate control and air conditioning. I'll just shut the door, stop it beeping. There we go. Concert CD player, radio with nice there. Media player, so you've got the auxiliary, and we've got the concert CD. We got then, as you can see, the CD player in there. Put the sound system up there and you can hear that. So the previous owner likes a bit of Genesis. Who doesn't? What a band. Everything through the car is easy to use and is all touch. Power hood is the button there. We've got power windows. Centre armrest with the auxiliary in there. Again, the seats are all in wonderful order throughout. I don't smoke and I can tell the last keeper wasn't a smoker in this. In fact, I know him. He's had lots of cars off us. Probably, if I said he's had 20 cars off us, this gentleman who owned this car, that is a guesstimate, but probably he's had more. Now, in the rear of it, it's in wonderful condition. Again, the leather's free from any real mark, damage or scuff. A very nice car, that. A very nice car indeed. 65,810 miles, there you go. So lovely mileage, cared for very well. Paintwork is in super condition. Facelift car, so we've got these signature lamps on the back, and then we've got the signature lamps on the front. This was on a private plate, and it's only when it's gone back on a 13 I'm thinking, gosh, that's 10 years ago. No way, how does time fly? Anyway, just look at that. Lovely motor. Now, if you'd like to reserve this, give us a call here in Wigan. I'm Graham, and I've got Dominic and Lee. We're the sales team at Alpha Motors. We'll take a £250 fully refundable deposit on it, to which then We will prepare it to the highest of standards, so you only have to come to Wigan once. Once you've test drove it in our store, approved it, you're happy with it, we'll register it and you can pay for it on your banking app or have finance. Have a part exchange, give us a call, we'll give you a price. We are a 40-year-old family dealership here, so please, all our cars are fully HPI clear and are all warranted as well. So, as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.